Question: What is the prerequisite starting point for configuring Session Broker Controller, SBC, SIP trunking? Option A. SBC already installed and registered. Option B. SBC already installed and provisioned. Option C. SBC already installed and commissioned. Option D. SBC already installed, wizard run. The correct answer is option C. Question: For which users is the Avaya SBC remote worker configuration typically implemented? Option A. Users administered with the same Communication Manager network region. Option B. Remote users, traveling employees, remote offices. Option C. Users administered with the same server flow. Option D. Analog and DCP users only. The correct answer is option B. Question: What are the three essential elements of a SIP trunk? Option A. SIP service provider, SBC, call server, IPPBX. Option B. SBC, media gateway, call server, IPPBX. Option C. SIP service provider, SBC, media gateway. Option D. SBC, media gateway, trunk server. The correct answer is option A. Question: Where can you look up SBC alarm descriptions? Option A. SBC CLI. Option B. Avaya PLDS. Option C. SBC documentation, appendices of administration guide. Option D. EMS CLI. The correct answer is option C.